Welcome everybody! We are already in the second round of the giveaway, and of course this time we have some entries too, which I'm going to show you right now. And of course for this round we have a winner too. In Holland the guy is very famous and his name is Sinterklaas. So Roger, congratulations! You won 50 euros in store credit. We will get in touch with you via Instagram. Also, don't forget, even though you maybe won the smaller prize, or if you don't, you can still win the Sonic Mighty 4K. When you want to join our giveaway, just be sure that you meet all the requirements, which can be found on our website and also through our Instagram page. And if you hand in your entry, good luck, and maybe you will win next round, or maybe you will win the Sonic Mighty 4K. Good luck! Just one more thing, be sure to follow and like our Instagram page or Facebook and tag us in whichever entry you hand in. Bye!